Hey folks, it's Ben and Tiffany. Welcome to the Runaway and Seemore channel. And today we are where?
Can you guess? We're at Niagara Falls.
That's right.
On the New York side.
So we're going to take you around a little bit today. Show you some sights. We're camping about 12 miles from here in Youngstown, New York.
It is the 4 Mile Creek State Campground. We'll show you some of that in a little while.
All right, everyone. Hope you can hear us. Power of the falls.
Got the rainbow. Down below we have the
Made it a miss.
rain and the mist is coming through.
Is it right here?
That's it. Right there. Yep. Beautiful.
Now you can see the Horseshoe Falls from here and the American Falls.
Very pretty. Got a nice breeze too.
Well, what do you think?
I think it's pretty nice. I think I like the American side actually better than the Canadian side.
Yeah, we was over the Canadian side years ago. I don't know, seems nice here.
Yes, it doesn't seem as commercialized.
Okay, folks. Behind me, you'll see the wind. We're gonna give this a try.
I'm gonna go get wet later.
It's a hot day, so it's gonna feel good.
Can't wait.
Well, we're getting ready to head up.
There's where we were earlier today. We're going to try to climb back up it.
Got our ponchos on. We're ready to go. Okay, yeah, we're videoing.
Niagara Falls is massive here. You are right on it.
Okay, we're heading up.
There were dry people that were coming off this. Obviously, they were not where we were. We are totally soaked. Even with their hoods on, then ripped in half. But it's a wet one, but well worth it. Cave in the wind.
Where we at?
Whirlpool State Park.
Yep. Just missed the jet boat. It come through. Said the water's 125 feet deep right there. In that area. See the swirls? See how the water swirls? Finally.
The destination is on your left, 4 Mile Creek State Park.
arrived.
Registration.
Okay, we are at 4 Mile Creek State Campground, right?
Yes.
4 Mile Creek. And they have a really awesome way that they have their little map of the campground. And then could you give us the code there, how you were explaining to me earlier?
Yeah, so we file our sites by the date and we're color coded. So Sunday is pink. As you can see, 353 has somebody coming in tomorrow. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday. And that's how we know what days people are coming in. We do it like 2 days in advance sometimes. Like we have Sunday. Obviously that's tomorrow, we didn't do Monday. And then the white means that they're here on the site. And we just
Wonderful.
use it as like a quick, oh, we know that something's available.
Well, thank you. And your name?
I'm Lilu.
Leighton, very nice to meet you and thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
There's the map of the campground. This is why a halo system would be really nice at the campground. The electronic collars that you can take anywhere. Because when you have a dog and an awning, they seem to get a little bit tangled up no matter where you put them. I see a halo in our future. Who is spoiled here? Who has the fan blowing on them? Gracie. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Huh? Okay. You want to go? Okay. Let's go for a walk. Here's a money-saving tip from Runaway and Seymour. A lot of people will buy the tablecloth covers and the seat covers, and they're actually a little bit spendy. But if you just go to the dollar store and you pick yourself up 2 tablecloths, you can put one for the table and you cut one directly in half that matches it, and there you have your matching seat cover and tablecloth.
Anyway, we're in Youngstown, New York. As you can see, nighttime's setting in, and the late great Cosmo Weems, he always tested gadgets when he was in his vestibule. We used to watch his channel all the time. Anyway, that if you see those Lucy lights in the back hanging from the ARB awning, those are lights that he always recommended. And I'll tell you what, they work really well. And they're solar. So, it doesn't cost you a dime to run them. You can't beat that. So, all right. We'll get back with you later.
So when we eat out, we normally don't like to hit any chains. So the lady at the camp store recommended this local restaurant called Bandanas. And I gotta tell you, it was top notch. We had the best wedding soup that we've ever had, and the food was delicious, but best of all, the service. Some of the best service that we have had in a long time. We want to give a shout out to Janine and to Jen, which is the manager. They did a wonderful job. Keep it up, ladies. So if you're in the area, stop by and check them out.
Here's our setup this morning in the Runaway. Pretty nice campground. It's a Monday here, so it's pretty quiet now. Weekend was busy, but it still was quiet. And so we're just hanging out. Show you our setup a little bit, how we are this time. We had some heavy rain here yesterday, but we're about 20 minutes to Niagara Falls. So just have you take a look. You can see the campground's pretty empty today. This is one of our neighbors there, but other than that, there's not too many people here.
So the bathrooms are actually close to our site, but these are the shower houses. You have the men's on one side and of course the women's on the other. Let's go see what's inside. You have the screen door. It's been very nice. They do have the flush toilets. And each shower house has 2 showers. The showers still seem to be pretty clean. We have one regular shower and then one really huge handicap shower. There are the public sinks and the restroom. This is it. So this is the view from 4 Mile Creek State Park. As you see behind us, it sits right on Lake Ontario, really conveniently located, about how many miles away from Niagara Falls would you say?
15.
So about 50 miles away from Niagara Falls.
15.
15.
Oh, I thought you said 50.
No, 15. They do something really nice is they do have a shuttle here that will take you. It runs every half hour and it'll run to the different little towns around the area and also to Niagara Falls. And it's a free shuttle. So if
Take advantage of it if you come up here.
Yeah, if you're interested in that, awesome way. So there's Lake Ontario once again.